Greetings Internet, it's Dustin again with My HomeKit Home, bringing you all things Apple HomeKit, from product reviews to news to how-tos, just like this one. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our new videos as soon as they're released. In this video, we'll be looking at how to perform a factory reset on the Aqara Hub. Now, this was recently introduced into the world of HomeKit, although it has existed outside of our favorite smart home platform for quite a while now. So what we'll do in this one is we'll remove it from Apple's Home app, from the Aqara app, and from the Mi Home app, and then we'll look at how to perform a physical reset of the device. So without further ado, let's jump in. The Aqara Hub shows up in Apple's Home app as two devices, the security system and the light bulb. By long pressing on either one of those accessories, we can scroll down to the bottom of the settings and tap Remove Bridge from Home. This will remove it from your HomeKit setup. We can also remove it from the Aqara app, so let's jump over there and we'll see here that we are in fact, HomeKit mode. So we'll want to be in HomeKit mode there. We'll go back over to the device itself. We'll long press on it, scroll all the way down as we do, and tap Remove. Once we've confirmed that, it will remove the device from the Aqara app, as you can see. Now, if you are using the Mi Home app, it is just as easy. So we'll tap on the Aqara Hub in the Mi Home app. From the top right, we'll tap the three vertical dots to get into our settings. We'll scroll all the way down, tap Remove Device. After confirming by pressing OK, we get a confirmation, and as you can see, there is nothing left in our Mi Home app. Let's look at the physical reset of the device. So the same button that we use to add child devices to the Aqara Hub is going to help us out with the factory reset process here. So we'll hold that down with the device plugged in. The light will turn on. It's not actually flashing here. That's a frame rate issue with the camera, but the light will turn off. It'll turn back on again. And what we're waiting for is a flashing amber light and the little woman inside of the Aqara Hub to tell us that she is
waiting to connect. Please open the app.
And that's how you do that. Don't forget to check out the description box down below, where you'll find a link to our video review of the Aqara Hub, as well as our written review over at myhomekithome.com. You'll also find links to our social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at myhomekithome. As always, if you found the video useful, you can let us know by giving us a big thumbs up. And if you are interested in more HomeKit related content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our new content as soon as it's released. Well, that about does it for this one. I do thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next one, this has been Dustin with My HomeKit Home.